Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about a magnetic induction or magnetic field induction which is produced by a long straight current carrying wire. It is a short answer question number 3 in moving charges and magnetism, important question for 4 marks students. 4 marks question, important one. So now what about this? So consider it is a long straight conductor which is carrying current I. So now at a distance r from the conductor we have selected a point P. So through the P a circle is drawn taking the conductor as the center of the circle. So P is a point at a distance r from conductor. Now from the point P we have selected a small area element, that is dl. The tangent drawn to this will give the magnetic field induction. So let a long conductor carrying current I. It is a long straight conductor students. It is a long straight conductor carrying current I. But you know a straight conductor carrying current I produces magnetic field. So that magnetic field is in the form of concentric circles around the conductor. So we have selected a point P at a distance r from the conductor. Let P be a point at a distance r from conductor. Now draw the circle through P, taking the conductor as center. So from the P student, from the P through the P a circle is drawn. So for this, so let P be a point at a distance r from the conductor students. Draw the circle through P, through the point P, taking the conductor as the center. So this is center. Now radius of circle is r. Next, at the point P we have selected small element dl students, dl bar. Let dl is the small element at P on the circle. So this circle is nothing but magnetic field students. So it is the magnetic field around the conductor is in the form of circle. So now So this is from here to here, you can see here to here, this point to this point is area. So in the circular path or in the circle, this point to this point, we have taken small element of magnetic field dl, small element of magnetic field dl, students. Now tangent drawn at P gives the direction of the tangent drawn at P gives the direction of the magnetic field induction B bar, students. So now we want to derive the formula for magnetic induction or magnetic field induction due to long current carrying wire. So for this we want to use Ampere's law or Ampere's circuit law, students. We know that from Ampere's law, we have a formula. In the previous video we derived this. So closed line integral of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught I. This is equation 1. But closed line integral of B bar dot dl bar equal to closed line integral of B dl cos theta, students. So this is taken from dot product of vector B bar dot dl bar equal to B dl cos theta, students. This is a standard formula from vectors B bar dot dl bar equal to B dl cos theta. So here, so standard formula, students, B bar dot dl bar equal to B dl cos theta. But here B bar and dl bar are parallel, so angle between them theta is 0 degrees, you can see. So along the same direction, both are acting in the same direction, you can see here. So dl is in this direction, B bar is also in this direction. Both are acting along the same direction, that is why angle between them is 0. Now substitute. So this 0 here, students, cos 0 value. So closed line integral of B bar dot dl bar equal to B dl cos 0 degrees, students. So which is equal to line integral of B dl. So this implies B bar dot dl bar equal to, B is a constant, students. So at the point P, for this element dl bar, magnetic field induction is B. If you take a dl, here also B, here also B, here also B. So for every dl, the B will be remain same. That is why B is taken as constant and like closed line integral of dl. But closed line integral of dl equal to, that is around the circle. So we have many dl plus dl plus dl plus dl plus dl, that is integral of dl, students. So total length of the circle r, which is equal to circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. So you want to take, this is closed line integral of dl means sum of all dl's around the circle, that is dl equal to 2 pi r. So this implies B bar dot dl bar equal to B into 2 pi r, students. It is equation number 2. So now from equation 1 and 2, students, from equation number 1 and 2, this implies from equation number 1, students, that is from Ampere's law, we have closed line integral of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught I. So for this we can write mu naught I equal to B into 2 pi r. So this implies B is equals to, so we want to derive the formula for magnetic field induction. Students, magnetic field induction or magnetic field is denoted by B. So magnetic field induction or magnetic induction or magnetic induction field all are denoted by B. So this B is equals to, so this B is taking as a subject, B is equals to mu naught I by 2 pi r. So this is the formula for magnetic field induction produced by the long straight current carrying wire.